You took the bathroom ones off too? What? You took the bathroom ones off too? The bathroom ones off need to come off too. Bathroom? Yeah. Oh, I thought it was just... No, both vanities. I'm sure they'll start here, but. So we decided to go with a white countertop rather than a brown one. So we've removed the backsplash so we can put up a new white subway tile to make it match. This will just be a little bit more brighter, more modern. And so if the new owners, eventually when they buy, they want to replace the floor or anything like that, they don't have to go through the process of also replacing the countertops. We're just thinking ahead that way.
Oh, bro, I don't want to touch none of this. You pick it up like you pick up dog poop. Why did they clean it up for themselves? Look at that, bro. That's a whole bag of prescription drugs. Yeah, drug dealer. Pick it up. Hold up. We gotta pick it up together. Same time. No, hold up. Yeah, start it out, then up. No, now that slowly. You don't have to. We'll take it up downstairs. Look at this guy, bro. This guy's a smart ass. Man, how much do you tell this guy? Yo, Mauricio? Come here for a second. Did you close this? Did you close that? Did you close the lid before going?
Yeah, that's good.
Well, there's no point now. You gotta clean it up and then you gotta close it. Now all those pieces will be going inside.
What piece?
These pieces of paint.
This one?
Yeah, the little pieces will go inside. That's why you gotta make sure every time you pour the paint, you clean it so it doesn't get to that. You think I can break this?
Huh?
They can break this? You think so? The countertop guys are here. They're gonna do the kitchen countertop and the 2 washrooms upstairs. Once they're done, we're gonna clean up the drywall and put on new drywall, and then we'll be ready for backsplash. Stairs are almost done. We need 2 more pieces, which are custom made, so we're just waiting on those. And yeah, we're pretty much in the finishing stages. We should be done pretty much soon. We're gonna clean off the steps, all those black marks. We're gonna clean those off instead of sanding it down and restaining it. And we have to put another coat of stain on the stairs. And yeah, then we should be good. Clean up the space and take out what we don't need. Then it kind of looks like we're done, right? It looks like we're almost done. Is it clean up upstairs? The master bathroom? The paint on the floor? Huh? No, the paint that was spilled on the floor.
Oh, okay, no.
clean off, like check there's also the tile underneath the window, that's dirty as well. Check all the rooms, check the other washroom, check the toilet holder, check all the toilet if that has paint on it. Check everything. This spot here, just sand that down a little bit and just that little spot, you see that?
Yeah.
And clean, you see the edges?
Yeah.
Clean these edges off as well. See here, there,
Okay.
right there. Do you clean this already, right?
Yeah.
And you clean all the, I gotta get rid of the letter, I'll get rid of the letter. Yeah, so just take the paint and do those spots. You see this spot? A little bit touches. Just do those. The paint is already in there, right? That's enough paint to do all the touches.
That's enough?
Yeah. So just take that out, just take the brush and just... I gotta get the scrubber thing. Ew, that thing is still on me.
The hair?
No, the thing from the drain. Ew. He said she had no nipples. Have you heard that one?
Does he have no nipple?
You haven't heard that one? No. The Kevin Hart stand-up? No, he said she had no nipples. Countertop looks good. We're gonna cover this whole thing up, then start working on the drywall here, and then okay, we gotta put that sheet here,
What shit?
the blue, on both sides. Is there a blade out there?
No. Not this one.
You just cut it somewhere here.